Whether it's planting new flower beds, nurturing an allotment, or simply tending to your indoors plants, gardening can have a huge impact on your physical and mental health. Here are 7 reasons why you should make gardening your next hobby. First of all, it connects you to nature. Gardening allows you to focus on something that will give you a feeling of true achievement. It also brings you closer to the creatures you're sharing your garden with. Second, it's a good source of vitamin D. Exposure to sunlight and fresh air helps the body to naturally produce vitamin D, which is vital for a healthy immune system. The third reason why you should make gardening your next hobby is that it's good for your physical health. Gardening certainly requires physical effort. Just think of the calories that can be burnt when undertaking strenuous gardening activities such as digging and weeding or simply staying active. Fourth, it's a source of healthy organic vegetables. Imagine seeing your garden bloom with fresh vegetables, fruits, and herbs. It will surely serve as a motivation for you to pursue a healthier eating habit. Once you start a nutritious diet, you are laying the foundation for better health in the future. Fifth, it teaches you life values. As most plants and flowers do not grow overnight, one of the most important things you can learn from gardening is patience. Gardening can be a great way to learn the value of hard work, patience, determination, and caring for others. The sixth reason why you should make gardening your next hobby is that it lets you build relationships. Building a garden with a friend, family member, or a partner is a rewarding bonding experience. You will work together on a project, and this makes gardening a great tool for socializing and connecting with people. Finally, it's good for the mind. Scientific evidence has shown that gardening is beneficial to those living with anxiety and depression. It offers a therapeutic and natural experience that's incredibly rewarding. Overall, gardening is proven to be good for you in many different ways, and it's a great way to express yourself. If you've never gardened before or live in an apartment, you can start small, a simple balcony or a few pot plants. As time goes on, you will begin to notice some subtle positive changes in your environment as well as your overall well-being.